Yo, what's up? Good morning mga karatbo. Today I'm gonna um, try to take off some stumps, coconut stumps, and using an excavator here. Now I'm trying to get it ready. I'm warming it up. Yo mga karatbo, this is the first thing that I did. I tried to make an opening in here so that we have an access to get in. I used my excavator to make a road, an access in here. See, it's nice, eh? That's my body motorcycle, still kicking, and now I'm going to start. Let's go, guys. First thing that I want to teach you is mga karatbo is how to operate an excavator, how the control works. I'll show you here. Now I'm getting in, stepping in, and there you go. So I'll show you right here. See, need to go a bit away. Here are the controls. As you can see, this is like the clutch. You know, if this is up, this thing is up, it's not gonna move. The hydraulics not going to work. So I'm going in, and I have to put this down. This is the clutch, and this one I have to clutch it up. Now I'm going to show you how to use the joystick. Here, look, this joystick, there's like a 4 direction to use this joystick. Up, like forward, back, and left and right. So let's try to pull it up. Like the shoulder will move if you use this. If you put it up like this, I have to rev it a bit. Rev it up. Yeah. Now I'm going to pull this up. As you can see, it's going up. Right? And then if I put it down like this, it's gonna go down. Down and pull it up, it's going up. So that's one function of this joystick. And then if I'm going to turn it to the left, the scoop will move. See that scoop? I'm going to turn it to the left. You see, it's scooping, and then to dump it, move it to this side. Look. And then this side, you can also control. You can control the speed by putting it a bit, pulling it a bit like that. And then if you pull it too much, then it will go fast. And then on the elbow, on the other side, if you put it to the left, it will go open, like it will go wide. You can see it move right there. That's the elbow. And then if you move it in here, then it will go down. Move it here, then you will see it's going down. And if you put the left joystick forward, it will move to the right. As you can see, look, now I'm moving. And if I pull it backward, and then it will move to the left like this, right? So I have to put it in, and then I'm going to pull it up a bit. Yeah. And then the dozer, that's the dozer. This is the joystick for the dozer. So as you can see, if I will pull it up, that's gonna go up. If I put it down, you will see it's going down. Oh, right, up and down. This joystick. And then this is the control for moving. Like if I'm going to pull this thing backward, so it's gonna go backward. Look, pull it together because look, these two joystick in here, right here in front of me. This is the control for the trackpad to move. As you can see, I'm gonna pull it back. So now I'm moving back. See, I'm moving. Right? And then if I pull one side, then I'm gonna start turning. I move this side, I'm gonna start using the other trackpad. Right? So guys, that's the basic function. And also this tool is to move the whole excavator. I mean the whole bucket, the whole thing, left and right. If I step on this side, it's gonna move like that. See, it's moving, right? And then if I step on this side, it's going back. And this is for the special attachment. Yeah, if you're going to put a auger or a jackhammer, you need to press this. So this that one, see that attachment in here, to be put right there. It's going to work. Okay, so guys, watch me. I'll show you how to use an excavator for taking off coconut stump. guys, I did both of the sides, and as you can see, now I have a hole in here and one on the other side. So next I'm gonna do it on this side and on the other side. These are the things these are the stumps that I done yesterday, but too much water now in here. That stump I can take it off using that bucket because it's too small, and this is a big one. So I think I need to use something like a rope and tie it on that thing and then put it up. So guys, that's it for the basic using of backhoe. Thanks. Yo guys, I'm going to pull out the stump right now.